Hello, children. You know, people say it takes 10 years to be somebody. 10 years to be an artist, sportsman, or chef, or something. Yeah, it's true, it takes years. So many people think it's not about himself. Somebody else will do that 10 years. And I don't want to do it. 10 years, too long and too hard. Muhammad Ali said, later, I hated every minute of my training, but I told myself, suffer now, and live the rest of my life as a champion. He knew it. It's so crucial to spend your early years to be somebody. Otherwise, the rest of your life, which is 80 years to come, 90 years to come, you are nobody. Nobody wants to be nobody, right? But yeah. So, like Ali said, everything is hard. He hated every minute of his training. But you need to know those 10 years, 5 years, can be 5 years, can be 3 years actually, luckily. So that's a good news. Try your hardest. If you try your hardest, you'll be somebody and live the rest of your life as somebody great. So, in other words, if you're doing the same old things that other people do, like take the exam and then go to the high school, go to the university, and then I'm great. No. You got to be different. You got to be you. So if you have your strength, follow that. And the other tip is, if you have weakness, I have many weaknesses. I'm full of weaknesses. Weaknesses, it's up to how you take it, how you use it. It can be your strength. So don't worry about those who are not confident about this and that, and I cannot do this, I am not good at those. Those are who you are. That's your character, so use it. Then, eventually your strength is strength and your weakness is also strength. So you are filled with talents. Yeah. Spend your 10 years, 7 years, 5 years. Follow your dream and be somebody instead of spending the rest of your life as nobody. It's right now. Do it. See ya.